Core strengthening exercises are essential for developing abdominal muscle strength. Effective core exercises include planks, bicycle crunches, mountain climbers, leg raises, and Russian twists. Each exercise should be performed for 30-45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest, repeating for 3-4 rounds, 4-5 days a week. Cardio exercises effectively burn calories and reduce body fat. Effective cardio options include high knees, burpees, jumping jacks, and skater jumps. A cardio circuit can be performed by doing each exercise for 40 seconds followed by a 20-second rest, for a total of 15-20 minutes. Reducing processed sugars and refined carbohydrates, while increasing protein intake, significantly contributes to achieving a flat stomach. Adequate fiber intake, hydration, and reduced salt consumption are essential for preventing bloating and supporting digestive health. Sufficient sleep, mindful eating, and regular physical activity are crucial for overall health and effective weight management.